life, there will be tests. Here's one of those tests. Really, bro? I swear there's always some dumb shit. But luckily, I'm good at passing tests. So we're just gonna go ahead and get a new setup. Stay tuned. Please don't be hot, please don't be hot, please don't be hot. Ah, not too hot. Wonderful. Setup I'm thinking about doing is a 265 at 35 in the rear. Right now I'm running 245 and 35 in the rear. Definitely hella stretched. Probably the reason why my tires keep going flat. This is probably the second time that I've had a tire go flat in the back, and I'm probably gonna, I think it's better if we switch it up. Enough storytelling, we're gonna go ahead and get to the gas station and get our day started. Literally driving on a flat tire right now. Despite how much shit this car's been in, she still looks bad as hell. The tire shit's annoying, but I feel like this new setup is gonna be cleaned and I hope. Hey, low-key gas going down though, so I ain't even tripping. Okay, upon further investigation, I think someone stabbed my shit. Damn, niggas be hating, bro. I don't know who the fuck did it, but that's what that shit looks like, to be honest. Yeah, does that look like a stab? I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I've been pondering whether someone stabbed my tire or not. And I feel like someone did. I put my key in the hole and the gap is like really wide. Second of all, it couldn't be me hitting something like on the road because it was on the side. And also my tire sits like this instead of flat. It sits like this. So how the fuck could something possibly launch itself into the side of my tire fast enough or with enough force to cause a gash that big? Even if I hit like a speed bump, like the ones in my apartment, they're like plastic and shit. Plastic does not have the hardness to cut rubber unless it has enough force. And there's no way that shit could have hit it that fast. So, that's strange. I'm gonna keep my eyes open around the people I surround myself with. But it definitely happened when I was sleeping at night. Yeah, I'm actually getting the same size tire though, by the way. Just because I don't think I'll fit anything wider than a 245. Maybe a 255, but nah, I'm not gonna risk it right now. Anyway, I'm gonna get the tire fixed, and then if I change my mind, I'll change my mind. I'll let you know. Damn, new fitment or what? New fitment, ooh. Nah, just gotta love them run flats. I swear, I always forget to do my outros or follow up with a certain piece of the process of the video. So as you know, we got the tire fixed yesterday. Haven't showed you that obviously because I was busy, but that's okay. I can do that now. Shawty looking real fine though, low key. But yeah, there's a new tire. It's a little bit more, it's a little different than the other one, but it's okay. Anyway, I do have a plan for today. I got some exhaust bolts that I need to put on the Y pipe because for some reason, one of the bolts of mine is gone. So that's gonna get taken care of right now. Finally get this exhaust leak gone once and for all. And then also, I'm probably gonna adjust my camber in the rear just because now I know I can loosen the bolts. Should use blowtorch from the jump. Let's go pick up these parts from the office and then we'll get this started. Beautiful. Say goodbye to exhaust leak once and for all. Not gonna lie though, this shit sounds badass. Okay, now we can go. All right, there's the package right there. Just some bolts, jack stands. All right, I'm gonna just show you the wheels right now in the rear. This is how they look. This is the angle I'm working with right now. And then, of course, new tire over here. I'll show you when I'm done. Also, first matter of business though, just come out. Exhaust bolts. So on this right side, I've got a little exhaust leak again after I got the shit fixed. Basically, I hit some shit on the road. Actually, these damn speed bumps in my apartment. I got caught on one of them, and I'm pretty sure the bolt broke off. So now is the time where we fix it. All right, we're jacked up now. Let's see what we got. You already see it. Oh, fucking shit. Fuck this concrete, bro. Well, right there is missing. I had to change clothes because the freaking concrete's too damn hot for me to lay down on. Man, this is the time where I wish I had a shot, bro. All right, let's see if it worked. Yup, definitely worked. We're gonna walk around and see if I hear any air sounds. Much better. Bro, this idol is completely nasty. Walk around here. Dude, I still hear something low-key. Just realized I got mini exhaust leaks, but once I change the white pipe, that'll be done. The major one is dealt with. Thankfully, now I don't have to smell the fucking gas anymore. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fix the camper. Apparently, increasing your camber increases your tow. I didn't know that. So, look at the wheels. They look good out here, right? But then, as soon as you turn your head, it looks weird, right? That shit is facing outwards. And I need a tow arm, which I do not have. I only have the stock one. So, I'm probably gonna have to readjust this a little bit. Strip my camber arm. Order some new ones. See y'all tomorrow. Peace.